Hey Rebs, I'm Clay Culver and I'm your senior class president for the 2019-2020 school year, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access help with your schoolwork at home. All Quartzo High School students can access online tutoring through your PowerSchool and get help with any course subject, including SAT and AP prep. Now let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is log into your PowerSchool with your usual username and password. And now if you go onto the left side of your PowerSchool and scroll down, you'll see a page right here and it's called Live Tutors, and make sure you click that so you can do your online tutoring. Now you log back into your Google account. And now you're on the Live Tutor website. So there's 5 different options you can choose from, and the one we're going through right now is Connect with a Tutor Now. So now that you're on the Connect with a Tutor Now page, you'll choose whatever subject that you need help with whether it's math, science, history, or even test prep. Then you'll choose whatever subject it is. So if you choose math, then you can choose from Algebra 1 to Calculus. And then you'll choose your grade level, and grades go from kindergarten to 12th grade. And in this box right here, you'll type in your question, or if you took a picture of your question, then you'll attach it to the website. This next tab is Schedule a Tutoring Session. So this tab is mainly for if you can't do online tutoring at the moment. So you'll scroll through all the tutors, you can choose whatever subject you need help with, and you'll find a tutor that's right for you. When you choose a specific tutor, you'll see a calendar, and you can choose whatever day you want to help them tutor, and you'll choose how long you want the tutoring session to go on for, and you'd also choose the specific subject and topic that you want to ask your tutor. This next page is Submit a Paper for Review, and this page is mainly used for essays. So say if you have an English essay due, then you're gonna attach it to your question here, and the tutor will look over it and see exactly what you need to change and what you need help with. The next page is Take a Practice Quiz. So if you're having trouble with the subject or you just need the extra practice, then you can, once again, you can choose the topic that you need help with, and you can take many different quizzes on all the different subjects within that topic. And this last tab is Prep for the AP exams. So in this tab, you know, like everyone preps for the AP exams, so you can choose between 4 different exams to choose from. And there's AP Biology, AP Calculus, AP US History, and AP World History. And whatever topic that you choose, you can watch a bunch of videos on it, and you can watch either all of them or watch one of them and get that extra help you need for your AP exams. And that is Live Tutor.
If you still need help logging on to Live Tutor, teachers will be in the library after school to help you. This is Kalea signing off. Have a rebel-tastic day.